Don't cry, baby. Breathe.
You look amazing, babe.
Thank you. Don't cry.
How are you feeling?
Oh, good.
You ready?
Yeah. Are you? We've done this before.
Today is the day of my life because we are joining our lives together for the second time. It has been 5 years since I first met you, and it still feels like it was just yesterday. When I saw you, I just knew you were the love of my life with your gorgeous smile, warm eyes and cordial personality. With each passing day, sharing thoughts, hopes and dreams with you is what life is all about. The feeling of certainty from having you around has made my life all the better and gives me internal warmth I never knew possible.
Now you're wedding in church. You love my daughter very much.
He's ready, guys.
Okay.
You have been the support that I prayed for, the fantasy that I thought only existed in the movies, and the friend that I know that will never leave my side. I love you for all of this, and I love you more each day than I did before.
God is love and has, in a mysterious way, drawn you together in love. Alex, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Alma, do you take Alex here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church? Do you accept him as your lawful husband now and forever?
Yes, I do.
When I was so much younger, I always imagined myself with the man I wanted to marry. I imagined the man as romantic as those actors in the rom-com movies that I like to watch. The man and that love has been elusive for a while. I was giving up on finding my lifelong partner, my one true love, until you came into my life.
Successful marriages always decide to make their dreams happen. That means they'll have to do whatever it takes, and nothing will stop them because failure is not an option.
I saw from a dream.
Birthday na ni Margie! Birthday ni Margie ngayon!
Thank you.
Actually, hindi ko kasal. Birthday ni Mama.
This is definitely more emotional. I'm feeling much more emotional already. I can't wait to see Alma walking down the aisle. She's going to look absolutely fantastic. I'm looking forward to it.
Specs on specs.
From this moment forward, I promise to love you without condition, to honour you each and every day, to laugh with you when you're happy, to support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction, to challenge you to be a better person, and allow you to do the same for me.
I have said these vows in Georgia, and I will say it again today. I promise to love all of you, including your love for football and Arsenal. I'm a gunner now. And your snoring included. I look forward to us celebrating more amazing memories and go on this extraordinary, fun and beautiful journey together. I will live out these promises and aspirations with you every moment from this day forward and for the rest of my life. Mahal na mahal kita.
It's a magnificent
As long as we both shall live, I promise to adore you, cherish you and respect you for all the days we share. I promise to be there to catch you if you should stumble, and I will continue to fall in love with you every day. Mahal na mahal kita.
magnificent light.